Did you know Britain's biggest cash robbery started with a fake police car on a quiet evening commute? Colin Dixon was driving home from his job as depot manager when blue lights flashed behind him. Two men in police uniforms approached his car, but something felt wrong. Before he could react, they forced him into their vehicle at gunpoint. For 18 months, this criminal crew had studied every detail of the Securitas depot. They knew Dixon held the keys to £53 million in cash. The gang drove Dixon to his home where they held his wife and 8-year-old son hostage. The message was clear: cooperate or your family dies. With guns pointed at his child, Dixon had no choice but to drive to the depot. He disabled the security systems while the crew bound 14 guards. In just 90 minutes, they loaded the cash onto trucks and vanished. But their perfect plan crumbled, and when forensic evidence traced them to safe houses, the entire crew received over 100 years in prison combined. Greed destroyed what seemed like the perfect crime.